Alright, so now checking out the Threezero Fallout Nuka-Cola. Here we have the Nuka-Cola helmet. Hopefully this one isn't damaged like the previous one. Here we have the Wanderer. This one has the Fallout 4 default NPC, which is pretty cool. I don't get what these canisters here are for. I guess it's, I don't know, maybe just if you had the power armor on. I don't know. You see, because these canisters, they don't actually go in once you put this armor on. There's nowhere for those canisters to go. So we'll play with that. Let's get this guy out. Look at, how is this new in box and it's already so, whatever. Just questioning how new in box. This one feels slightly different than, no, it's the same as the other. It's the same. I see. So if you don't want to have the power armor on in the back, then you can put this back here instead if you're just going to keep this on. Got it. So that's what those are for. And then he comes with the laser rifle. It looks good. The laser rifle looks good. This one feels slightly different than, no, it's the same as the other. It's the same. I see. So if you don't want to have the power armor on in the back, then you can put this back here instead if you're just going to keep this on. Got it. So that's what those are for. And then he comes with the laser rifle. It looks good. The laser rifle looks good. So because we're going to be basically keeping, we're just trying to get his armor on, make sure everything works. Alright, we got his guns all set up, and now for Nuka-Cola. I'm obviously a big fan of Nuka-Cola. I have the Nuka-Cola official Bethesda helmet. I've been cosplaying as a Nuka-Cola power armor for like 5 years now. Just using the helmet, obviously. No actual power armor to speak of. Alright. The moment of truth. Hopefully nothing is damaged like the T-51 armor. Let's check it. Where do I put the batteries on this thing? It says to just take this off. Hopefully I didn't break it. How do you get this thing off? Oh my goodness, they hit these batteries good. Alright. Alright, I finally got it. I finally got this battery, and this was the most annoying battery in the world. I'm so glad to be done with it. I hope I never have to mess with it again. Beautiful head sculpt. All right. The Nuka-Cola chassis out. That's nice. Not magnetic. Instead, they kind of just peg in. Again, not magnetic. Instead, they just kind of peg in. Well, I guess they are magnetic a little. All right, that's on. So it's saying that these go under? Okay. Let's see what that connects to in a bit. After putting these together, I do like putting together the detailed stuff first and then putting the big pieces on. It's harder to get this stuff on once the big pieces are on. Okay, and then this. Guess this connects to here. Okay. Which means this connects to here. Alright. Let's see how much easier this is without the bulky armor on yet. You definitely don't want the bulky armor on yet. Alright. Alright. So now we've got the tubes lined up. Almost. Alright, now we got the tubes lined up. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this piece on. Because this piece was a pain in the ass to get on the last one. There, got the diapers on. And now from the diapers, legs on this guy are so difficult to pose. Oh, that was my fear. It's beautiful! Aren't they just amazing? They're beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.